Welcome to day 5 of the Herdwick Sheep challenge. Today there is a choice of 2 videos showing you how to add the grey coat to your sheep. This video will show you how to create a shorn looking coat. If you would like to create a sheep with a full fleece, please watch the other video. I am happy for you to make items from this tutorial for personal use or to sell. All I ask is, if you share what you have made, that you add a note to say that you made it from a free tutorial from the flock, and add a link to the flock's Facebook group. Please also be aware that the tutorial and its content is protected by copyright and must not be copied or shared without prior permission. Thank you. Let's get started. Your sheep should currently look like this. To add the coat to your sheep, you will need your coarse grey fibre. If you have purchased a kit, this is your Herdwick top. You will also need your shaping needle. To add the coat, first pull off some of your grey fibre and then pull this apart and mess it up between your fingers. Then lay this over the body of the sheep and using your shaping needle, stab this in place all over. Keep repeating this process until the entire body of the sheep is covered, leaving the head, legs and tail uncovered. When you get to the legs, take a smaller piece of fibre and mess this up. Then slightly straighten it again by pulling on the ends. Then wrap this around the top of the leg and stab it in place, blending it into the rest of the coat. Repeat this process for the top of the neck where it meets the head. Repeat the process again for the section under the tail. Continue to add fibre until you are happy with the finish. Your finished sheep should now look like this. Thank you for taking part in this challenge and congratulations on creating the first member of your flock of sheep. Remember, if you would like to be in with a chance of winning the prize for taking part in the Herdwick Sheep challenge, please upload a photo of your finished work on the video thread for today in the challenge Facebook group. I will also be adding a post over the weekend for you to upload a photo of your finished sheep to. Please make sure that you add a photo to this to be included in the prize draw. Also, if you have taken part in this challenge in real time, on Tuesday I will be announcing the winner of the prize. This announcement will take place in the Facebook challenge group.